Welcome to episode 16. We are so glad you were here with us today.
Yes, welcome. We have a really exciting topic for you today.
We really do. Today, we are talking about a totally new way to learn.
A completely new way.
We're going to talk about the shadowing technique.
The shadowing technique. Let me say that again slowly for you. The shadowing technique.
Exactly. This is how you practice English alone at home.
Right. Alone at home. And you actually improve your pronunciation.
Yes, your pronunciation and your rhythm.
Pronunciation and rhythm. Those are so important.
They really are. I use this technique myself, you know.
Oh, absolutely. Me too. It is my favorite way to practice.
Same here. It changes everything. So let's start with a story.
A story is a great place to start.
Imagine a guy. Let's call him the perfect student.
Okay, the perfect student.
For 3 whole years, he studies a new language.
3 years. That is a long time.
It is. Over 1,000 days. And he knows all the grammar rules.
He probably reads perfectly, right?
Perfectly. He can read books. He can write a perfect email.
A flawless email.
Exactly. But yesterday, he walked into a cafe.
Just a normal, everyday cafe.
Yeah. He tried to order a simple coffee from a native speaker.
Just coffee.
And he physically could not do it.
Oh no, he froze.
He froze completely. The words would not come out of his mouth.
His brain just stopped working.
And when he finally spoke, you know, it was so slow.
It's so agonizingly slow.
Yes. Slow and heavily accented.
Right. The barista probably felt bad for him.
The barista actually switched to his native language just out of pity.
Ouch. That really hurts your confidence.
Really does. But why does that happen?
Why does that happen? Let's say that again. Why does that happen?
It happens because the traditional way we learn is backwards.
Completely backwards. We treat language like a math problem.
Right, like a math problem to solve in your head.
But it is not a math problem.
No, it is not. Speech is a high-performance physical sport.
Let me repeat that key phrase for you. Speech is a high-performance physical sport.
Speech is a high-performance physical sport. So our student didn't fail because he forgot the words.
No, his vocabulary was perfect.
He failed because of something called the translation lag.
The translation lag, that is when your brain works too slowly.
Exactly. First, he hears the barista.
Right.
Then, he translates it into his own language in his head.
Then he thinks of his answer in his own language.
Then he translates that answer back into English.
And finally, he tries to move his mouth.
It takes way too much time. You just freeze.
You do. Because your mouth has never practiced the physical movements.
Right. It's like a bicycle.
Oh, I love the bicycle analogy.
You could read a book about riding a bicycle for 3 years.
You can pass a written test about bicycles.
But the first time you sit on a real bicycle,
you are going to fall over.
You fall over.
Huh.
Because your muscles don't know what to do.
Exactly. Speaking is just like riding that bicycle.
We have another story, too, about a woman named Jamie.
Right. Now, Janie didn't freeze like the first guy.
No, she had good speed. But she had an unshakable accent.
An unshakable accent.
Her main problem was syllable stress.
Ah, syllable stress. That is so tricky in English.
It really is. For example, the word photography.
Right. A native speaker says photography.
Photography. But Jamie would say photography.
Photography. It sounds completely different.
Her teacher corrected her 100 times.
And did it help?
No. She understood the rule in her head, but her mouth kept making the mistake.
Because knowing the rule is mental.
Right.
But moving your mouth is physical.
Physical, yes. So how do we fix this?
Well, some people think, maybe I should just read a book out loud.
Yeah, I read out loud at home. Does that help?
No, actually, that is a huge trap.
A trap? Really?
Yes, reading out loud by yourself reinforces your mistakes.
It reinforces your mistakes. Let's repeat that. Reading out loud by yourself reinforces your mistakes.
Because you are practicing your bad habits over and over.
Oh, I see. So practice does not make perfect.
No, practice makes permanent.
Practice makes permanent.
Wow.
So we need a better way.
We need the shadowing technique.
Okay, let's explain exactly what that is. What is shadowing?
Shadowing is when you listen to a native speaker and you repeat what they say almost exactly at the same time.
Almost at the exact same time.
Right. You stay just a split second behind them.
A split second behind, like a physical shadow.
Exactly like a shadow.
But, wait, that sounds really hard.
It is challenging, but it forces your brain to stop translating.
Because you don't have time to translate.
Well, you just have to move your mouth.
So when we shadow, we copy 5 specific things.
5 pillars of mimicry.
Number 1 is speed.
You match their exact speed.
Number 2 is rhythm.
The natural beat of the language. English is a stress-timed language.
A stress-timed language.
Yeah.
It has a strong beat.
Yes. Some words are long and some are short.
Number 3 is stress.
Putting the energy on the right part of the word, like photography.
Number 4 is intonation.
Intonation. That is the music of the language. The voice goes up and down.
Up and down, like it shows emotion, right?
Exactly. And number 5 is connected speech.
Connected speech. How the words bleed into each other.
Right. Words don't stand alone, they connect.
It's like tracing a drawing.
Oh, that's a perfect way to explain it.
If you draw a masterpiece freehand, it looks messy.
Very messy.
But if you put tracing paper over the masterpiece.
Your hand is forced to follow the exact lines.
Yes. Shadowing is like tracing for your voice.
Chasing for your voice. I love that. Let me repeat it. Shadowing is tracing for your voice.
It trains the ear, the mouth, and the brain all at once.
Just like a baby learns.
Right. Babies don't study grammar books.
No, they just watch and they physically copy sounds.
They mimic everything.
Now, to really understand this, we have 7 vocabulary words for you.
7 vocabulary words. We are going to spell each one for you.
Very slowly.
Let's start with the word number 1, imitate.
Imitate. Let me spell that. I-M-I-T-A-T-E.
Imitate means to copy someone's behavior.
Yes. And as adults, we are afraid to imitate.
We feel silly. We have a fear of looking ridiculous.
But you have to drop your ego. You have to be willing to act.
Act like the native speaker. Okay, word number 2, rhythm.
Rhythm. Let's spell it. R-H-Y-T-H-M.
Rhythm is the difference between reading lyrics and singing a song.
Yes. English has a very bouncy rhythm.
Word number 3 is intonation.
Intonation. Let me spell that for you. I-N-T-O-N-A-T-I-O-N.
If your intonation is flat, you sound like a robot.
Exactly. Even with perfect grammar, a flat intonation sounds wrong.
Word number 4 is fluency.
Fluency. F-L-U-E-N-C-Y.
Fluency means speaking clearly and easily.
Yes. Effortless speed. Without stopping to think.
And word number 5 is accent.
Accent. A-C-C-E-N-T.
A lot of people want to erase their accent.
But having an accent is completely fine.
It is completely fine. Let's repeat that. Having an accent is completely fine.
Your goal is fluency, not erasing your identity.
Right. As long as you are clear, an accent is beautiful.
Okay, word number 6, repetition. Repetition. R-E-P-E-T-I-T-I-O-N.
Repetition means doing something over and over.
Yes. Your brain needs high-frequency exposure.
High-frequency exposure to build those physical muscles.
And our last word, number 7, is consistency. Consistency. Let me spell it. C-O-N-S-I-S-E-E-N-C-Y.
Consistency means practicing every single day.
Right. Not just once a week, every day.
Okay, so that is the theory. But how do you actually do it in your living room?
We have a very specific 5-step method for you.
A 5-step method. Let's break it down. Step 1 is curating the material.
Curating means choosing the right audio.
And there are strict rules here. First, it must be a real human being.
No robots. No AI voices.
Why no robots?
Because robots don't breathe naturally. They don't have natural emotion.
So only real humans. Second rule. You must understand 70 to 80% of the words.
70 to 80%. Let's repeat that. You must understand 70 to 80%.
If it is too hard, your brain will panic.
Right. You will start translating and you will lose the physical focus.
We want to focus on how they speak, not what they are saying.
Exactly. And the clip should only be 60 to 90 seconds long.
Just 1 minute. That's so short.
It is short, but this is a very intense physical workout. I get it. Your mouth will get tired.
Very tired. Oh, and one big warning. Do not use music.
Right. No singing. Why is singing bad?
Because songs have a musical rhythm, not a speaking rhythm.
Oh, so if I sing, I learn the wrong rhythm for conversation.
Exactly. Stick to podcasts, TED Talks, or the news.
Okay, that is step 1. What is step 2?
Step 2 is the listen phase. Just play the audio and listen.
Do I speak?
No speaking yet. Just listen to the melody.
Okay, step 3.
Step 3 is read and listen. You read the transcript while the audio plays.
So I use my eyes and my ears. Am I speaking yet?
Still no speaking. You are just connecting the written words to the sounds.
Okay, now for step 4, the real workout.
Yes. Step 4 is the shadowing.
The shadowing. How exactly do I do it?
You press play, you wait just 1 or 2 seconds, and then you speak.
I speak out loud.
Yes, out loud. And there's a golden rule here. You must never pause the tape.
Never pause the tape. But what if I make a mistake?
If you make a mistake, just keep going. Just keep going. Let's repeat that. If you make a mistake, just keep going.
Catch up to the speaker like a real shadow. Do not stop.
Because in a real conversation, There is no pause button.
Exactly. And when you do this, you must stand up.
Stand up. Why?
It opens your lungs. It gives you more energy.
And you must speak at full volume, loudly.
No whispering. Whispering doesn't build muscle memory.
Okay. Step 5 is the advanced phase.
Yes. Step 5 is blind shadowing.
Blind shadowing. That means no paper, no transcript.
You take the text away. You only use your ears.
Wow, that forces you to really listen.
It completely frees you from the spelling of the words.
Now, what is the schedule for this?
Just 15 to 20 minutes a day.
15 to 20 minutes. And I use a new clip every day.
No, this is important. You use the exact same clip for 3 to 5 days.
The exact same 60-second clip for 5 days.
Yes, because repetition builds the physical muscle.
On day 1, I will probably be very clumsy.
Very clumsy. But by day 5, it will feel automatic.
But wait, can I just practice for 2 hours on Sunday?
No, please don't do that.
Why not?
Because your brain builds muscle memory while you sleep.
While I sleep.
Yes. So 15 minutes a day gives you 5 nights of sleep to lock in the memory.
Wow. Let's repeat that for everyone. Your brain builds muscle memory while you sleep.
It is the most important part of learning.
Okay, so this sounds simple, but people make mistakes, right?
Oh, they make 3 big mistakes. Let's talk about those.
Mistake number 1 is the mental shadow.
The mental shadow. That is when you do it silently in your head.
You just listen and think the words.
Right. If your mouth doesn't move, it doesn't learn.
If your mouth doesn't move, it doesn't learn. That is a great rule.
Mistake number 2 is ego-driven selection.
Ego-driven selection. That means picking a video that is way too fast.
Right. People want to sound cool, so they pick fast audio.
But if it's too fast, you just panic and mumble.
You practice phonetic slurring. It is useless.
And mistake number 3 is the early quit.
The early quit. People give up too soon.
How long does it really take to see a difference?
The magic happens between day 14 and day 21.
Day 14 and day 21. You have to wait 3 weeks.
3 weeks of consistent practice to build the habit.
Don't give up on day 10. You are so close.
Exactly. Push through the awkward phase.
So when you do this correctly, shadowing fixes tiny pronunciation mistakes automatically.
Yes. We call these micro corrections. There are 6 of them.
6 micro corrections, and we are going to demonstrate these for you so you can hear the difference.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, fact number 1, the robotic stress.
Robotic stress happens when you give every word the same energy.
Like a textbook reader. Okay, I will demonstrate the wrong way.
Go ahead.
I want to go to the store.
You see? Every word is equal. It sounds very robotic.
So what does shadowing teach you?
It teaches you to shrink the grammar words like to and the.
We shrink them into a lazy sound called the schwa, like
Exactly. Now try it the right way with shadowing.
I want to go to the store.
Listen to that. I want to go to the store.
The important words are big. Want. Store. The small words are tiny.
Much better. Fix number 2 is the silent E.
Oh, English spelling is terrible.
It is. When people read, they see an E at the end of a word and they want to say it.
Let me do the wrong way for the word H-A-V-E.
Okay, let's hear the wrong way.
I have E-H, a dog.
Yes, have E-H. Or for L-I-K-E, they say like E-H.
But shadowing fixes this because you trust your ears, not your eyes.
Right. Your ears hear a sudden stop.
So the right way is just, I have a dog.
Exactly. Trust the sound, not the spelling.
Fix number 3 is the dual identity of the word the.
T-H-E. This word actually has 2 different sounds.
Tu sal apli.
Yes.
Yeah.
Native speakers do it automatically, but they don't even know it.
Okay, teach us. What are the 2 sounds?
If the next word starts with a vowel, like apple.
We say the apple.
Right, the apple. It glides smoothly. The apple.
But if the next word starts with a consonant, like dog.
We say thu. The dog.
Wow, let's repeat that for everyone. The apple. The dog.
The apple. The dog. Shadowing forces you to learn this glide naturally.
That is so cool. Okay, fix number 4 is connected speech.
Connected speech. This is when words crash into each other.
Like they become one big long word.
Let's do the wrong way first. 4 separate words.
Okay, reading from a page. Do you want it?
Very choppy. Do you want it? But native speakers blur it all together.
So what is the right way?
Do you want it?
Do you want it? Wow, it's just one breath.
Right. When you shadow fast, you have to say, do you want it? Or you will run out of time.
That makes perfect sense. Fix number 5 is phrasing pauses.
Phrasing pauses. This is about when you take a breath.
When people read, they pause at the end of the line on the paper.
Or they just pause randomly when they need air.
But native speakers pause at the end of an idea.
We call that chunking. Shadowing forces you to breathe exactly when the native speaker breathes.
So you learn to group words together by meaning, not by accident.
Exactly. It's literal breath training.
And finally, fix number 6, the 110% volume rule.
This is a big one. English requires very big mouth movements.
Big open vowels. You have to drop your jaw.
If you come from a language where your mouth stays a bit closed, English will sound muffled.
Muffled. Like you are mumbling.
Right. So we ask you to speak at 110% volume.
Louder than normal.
Yes. Because if you speak very loudly, your mouth has to open wider.
It physically forces your jaw to drop.
Exactly. It overrides your old muscle memory.
It feels ridiculous, but it rewires your brain.
It truly does.
So those are the 6 micro corrections, and it brings us to a challenge for you, the listener.
A special challenge just for you.
We want you to try the 7-day challenge.
The 7-day challenge. Let's explain what they need to do.
Today, find a 60-second clip of a native speaker that you really like.
Someone whose voice you want to copy.
Make sure you understand 80% of it.
And then, for the next 7 days,
shadow that exact same clip for 15 minutes a day.
Follow the steps. Listen. Read and listen. Then stand up, speak loudly, and shadow.
Notice how hard it feels on day 1.
And then notice how smooth it feels on day 7.
It will blow your mind, because you cannot learn to swim by reading a book.
No, you can't. You can memorize facts about water, but you will still sink.
Right. You have to get in the water and move your arms and legs.
Language is exactly the same. It is a physical sport.
15 minutes a day, full volume. That is the shortcut to speaking fluently.
It bridges the gap between what you know and what you can do.
Now, before we go, I want to leave you with one final crazy idea.
Oh, I love this idea. It is so interesting.
We talked about using shadowing to learn English, right?
Foreign language. Yes.
But what if we use this exact same technique for our native language?
Your native language. Think about that.
Like, what if you are a nervous speaker at work? What if you talk too fast?
Or what if you sound unsure of yourself in meetings?
Could you find a video of a really confident public speaker?
And shadow them for 21 days.
Yes, you could shadow their exact rhythm and confidence.
You are training your own mouth to feel confident.
Your brain doesn't know the difference. It just learns the new physical rhythm.
You could build an entirely new, confident voice for yourself.
It is like a superpower. You just have to be willing to do the work.
Drop your ego and step into the shadow.
Exactly. So go find your clip today, stand up, take a deep breath, and start speaking.
Your physical training begins right now.
See you tomorrow for episode 17.